Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and today unboxing some stuff. We just recently were able to set up some new accounts and found some new vendors that were able to buy a few things at a little bit more reasonable cost since we have our business and all that. But one of the things we wanted to start doing was putting together some quilt kits for our friends for Christmas. So reached out, set some things up. Here are just a glance at some of the things that we thought was really kind of cool and getting started and figuring out what we want. At some point we may put some of this out on Etsy and that as well, but for now this is really just about us. And so I did pick up another package of by Annie Soft and Stable Stabilizer. I will say so far, using it on the midi bag, I absolutely did not like that. So I've got another midi bag going right now, and just to kind of give you a glance, I am getting ready to put stabilizer in that on this one. I am probably going to use something more like an SF101, but definitely a Pellin product. I think this is just too heavy, especially for that midi bag. Sure, other people have different opinions, and that's fine. That's what we're all about. We all do what makes sense to us. But I don't dislike Soft and Stable. I think it has its purpose and its place. It's just not for me with the midi bags. With that said, I did pick up a jelly roll of Kona Cotton solids. And I'm not going to open it since it is a Robert Kaufman. It's 40 pieces. But I bought this rainbow assortment because we do enjoy making the Pride quilts and making those rainbow quilts and that. So we will definitely be doing more of that and may actually gift this out to someone as well. Also found this, what's called brushstrokes fabric, and just kind of fell in love with it. It was just different from other stuff that I've seen. It is by Paintbrush Studio Fabrics, and it's called Brushstrokes, and I think these are all fat quarters. Yeah, flat fat stacks are most eco-friendly fat quarter option. So if you look, they come in a range of colors, right? So you got the purple, the red, the orange, the green, almost a turquoise, I would say. Then the blue, the yellow golden, and that brown. I just really liked these. They were just really different from some of the other things that we have. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but again, you're used to, if you follow our channel and listen to me, you know we, if anything, enjoy shopping. So that said, I did find a Tom Turkey from Funky Friends Factory, and I think that he is absolutely adorable. So he's from Funky Friends. Pauline apparently is the developer, and she has several characters out there. A lamb, it looks like, for Easter, and a Rudolph for Christmas. But Thanksgiving, I do think, gets kind of left out at times. And I just thought this turkey was really adorable. It will probably end up as a project this summer that I will end up putting together to send to the grandchildren in 2024 for Thanksgiving. Picked up a couple of more things by Annie. Like I said, I'm not against by Annie. I just didn't, I don't think the Soft and Stable works for the midi bag. I did get the Contain Yourself containers, and I keep wanting to make some of these. I keep grabbing more patterns and more kits than I do getting them accomplished, but that'll happen eventually. And then I found this grab and go tote, and I really liked this, especially for me to take to Quilt Club in that. I've got a really big, heavy tote that I take, but I thought this one, just when I saw it, looked really cool, and it's by GE Designs out of Iceland. And this is a 12 by 21 by 13 tote, and it looks like it takes 4 fabrics. So we'll see. Did pick that up. What else did I get? This box seems to go on and on and on, which I guess is a good thing, right? We did do by Annie, Easy Does It pattern. Quick and easy, carry your essentials. Great gift for gifting. Again, picked up these patterns in that, and looks like there's several the same pattern in here. If I can find my scissors. So let's open this up and let's see what's actually in there. Like I said, I want to make some kits for friends and that are in the quilting world, and just thought this was a great way to get to pick up some things. And so that's what we did. So yeah, these this comes actually with so the instructions for Easy Does It Quilting. So I have 25 of those patterns now, which is kind of cool. So it might be fun to build a kit around just these patterns with fabrics and that I know folks like. And then there is this one also called the Empire Place. And this one just really kind of spoke to me because it was just such a cool quilt pattern that I actually grabbed this book. And that's not, I'm trying to get away from grabbing books and that so much anymore. But this is from Sassafras Lane Designs. You know, when you watch Ian and his paper piecing and some of the stuff that he does, it is just absolutely amazing. And I would like to start challenging myself to do things that are a little bit more out of the box, a little less conventional, maybe a little bit more artsy. And I just really fell in love with this pattern. So when and how, if that ever gets done, not sure, but we will add that into the stack. Also picked up this Whole Country Caboodle, the Santa Gnome mug rug kit. And who doesn't love mug rugs? And you know, you gotta have Santa right at this time of year. So that is something cool for us to get to later in the year as well. And they had some of the Halloween stuff on clearance. So I did grab this Batty Mantle Quilt Kit. Includes all the laser cut fusible bats that you need. This is by Wyndham Fabrics. I had not seen this anywhere, so I was really excited when I saw it. And how cool is that bat and that table runner when it gets done with those bats around it? And it comes with the laser cut out bats that are already fused. So had to pick that up. That will definitely end up displayed for our Halloween in 2024. And then I did pick up another cut loose press that's a box bottom and bows and tote. And I thought this was really cute. I liked the bows on here. It just seemed different than some of the other boxy stuff that I've seen. And so when you look at the bows and that is on this lunch tote and that, I just thought that was too cute not to grab one. So I bought those patterns as well. And like I said, we may make up some kits for friends and that and include that pattern along with some of the fabrics. I did break down and buy a Kimberbell. I'm hoping in the next week or so that I'll have a new home machine. I'm going to probably be using my Juki to take to classes and training. I ended up picking up the Autumn Falling for Autumn kit by Kimberbell. It is just absolutely adorable. You know, when you look at Kimberbell, you look at what she does, you look at all that's available, it's hard to beat a Kimberbell, right? So we'll see how this goes. Definitely be on the project list for the summer, and then we'll go from there. And then I just picked up a lot of Kona solids. This is all in the blue tones. This package is all in the grays. Did pick up a rainbow. This is more almost like ice cream, right? But I wanted to pick up a few of those. So grabbed some of those because they were on a good price. And these are the things that we'll use to build out some of the kits and that we're going to Christmas out this year. So with that said, just a quick look at all our new toys, all our new goodies that just arrived. Really excited to find another resource to be able to get some stuff from. Like I said, some of this may end up on Etsy at some point, but at the end of the day, just really wanted to get some stuff so we could start sharing with our quilting friends. With that said, you landed into Guys Craft 2. My name is John. You like what we're doing, please hit that thumbs up. It means a lot to us. We appreciate each and every one of you, our subscribers. We appreciate all the comments in that. And until next time, happy crafting.